Hello guys, my name is Vaz and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you like my videos and you don't want to miss anything which I'm gonna make in the future. So today I'm gonna talk about the FileZilla app, which I think you should be aware about this app if you're selling stock, videos, or even if you build websites, communities, which most of the times this application is used by photographers, web developers, and other people. So let's move on. So all you need is the FileZilla application, which is totally free to download from the Google, and you can do that by typing download FileZilla. So let's have a look. So we'll go to the browser, and what you can do is just type download FileZilla, and the first link, just click on it, and you're gonna say download FileZilla client. Just press this button, and there is like more options. FileZilla with manual, or FileZilla Pro. You don't need any of them. You just need a simple one, which is free. And you click download, which will be download to computer or Mac, depending what you're using. Once you download it to your PC, what you'll have to do is to install the application. It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. To double click on the app, wait for it, click yes and agree. I won't install this app because I already have this application on my PC. But as you can see, it's installed on my PC. So if you want to open, have a look. Once it's installed on your laptop or PC, you're gonna have a look, open it, and you're gonna see here host, username, and password, and port as well. So most of the time the host is the server, well, depending where you want to upload the images. Usually they're going to provide with the host ID. The username could be your email address or could be like custom username. The password, most of the time, is your password from the website where you registered. And port, most of the time you ignore this port, you don't put anything here. Unless the server wants you to put like port. Sometimes it's 20, sometimes it's 21. So once you've done that, you just click quick connect and you'll connect to FileZilla. It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. Once you have that installed on your laptop, it will be easy and pretty much forward. And yeah, thanks for watching this very short video I've decided to make this weekend. And if you like it, just don't forget to subscribe again, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, just ask below. I'll be more than happy to answer to you. Thanks.